Good morning, children. In this class, we are going to talk about different entertainment awards, which is your page 67 as well as page 66. So, let's begin with the Academy Award, the one you're able to see in this picture. This is the statue of it. The Academy Award, it is also known as the Oscar Award that is given to the movies, and it is presented annually. That means every year once it is presented by the Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Science in California to recognize the achievements in the film industry. Okay, it's presented in California, and the award, a gold plated statue of a knight holding a crusader sword standing on a film reel with five spokes, represents five original branches of the Academy: writers, actors, directors, producers, and technicians. That means all those movies which have best writing, best actors, their acting is best, the directors have worked perfectly, the producers have invested perfectly, and the technicians, when all the combinations are perfect in a movie, then that movie gets the Oscar award. And this is the trophy, this is the trophy that is having five spokes. Okay, so this is the Academy Award. Moving on to our next award, which is the Golden Globe. This award is awarded annually, again annually, that means every year, by the Hollywood Foreign Press Association, HFPA, Hollywood Foreign Press Association, to acknowledge and appreciate outstanding achievements in the films and television. Okay, and the ballots are cast to determine nominees and winners in each category, the way we have voting system over here in India. Similarly, voting is done and it is decided which the nominees are determined, and then the winners are sorted out. Golden Globe winners receive a statue consisting of a globe encircled by a strip of film. As you can see, this is a golden globe. It appears like a golden globe which is having a strip of golden film. Okay, so this is Golden Globe Award. Next, moving on to the BAFTA, or British Academy of Films and Television Arts, honors the best British and international contributions to the film industry. So this is the British award. Okay. These awards are considered the British equivalent of the Oscar awards. The award, in the form of a theatrical mask designed by American sculptor Mid Mitzi Cunliffe. So this is the award. This is designed by American Mitzi Cunliffe is his name, and it's a kind of statue that is given, that is awarded to all those people who are outstanding, who have outstanding contributions to the film industry in Britain. Next, we move on to the Emmy Award. The Emmy Award is an annual award and it is presented in USA. So country-wise distribution, country-wise you should know that which award is presented in which place. It is presented for excellent work in the television industry. The award statue is a winged woman. As you can see, this woman is having wings, holding a globe. This is the globe she is holding. The award is given for the categories dramatic series, special drama, comedy series, and limited series. This is basically awarded for the dramatic series, special dramas, and the serials that we have in India. Similarly, the comedy series and the drama series, they are awarded this Emmy Award in USA. So, next we move on to, these were four entertainment awards: the Academy Award, the BAFTA or the British Award. Then this is presented in California, the Academy Award. This is presented in Britain. This is presented in this is the Hollywood. Okay, and this is presented in Emmy Awards is presented in USA. Moving on to our next page, we have the Grammy Award, and the Grammy Award is a Golden gramophone presented annually in the United States again to honor artistic achievement in the music industry. What is the difference between Grammy Award and the Emmy Award? The Emmy Award was given to the series or the series, the dramatical series, the drama series in USA, whereas this Grammy award is given in the field of music. Okay, and the winners are selected from categories such as rock, rap, R&B, pop, country, reggae, classical, gospel, and jazz. These are all categories in which this award is given. These are all music categories, right? The winners receive a golden statue of a gramophone. So the statue that is given to the person winning is a gramophone. It's a in a form of a phone. Like this is the figure of it. And then we move on to the Cannes Film Festival. This is very famous. This is the Festival of Cannes, Festival de Cannes. It is how it is pronounced there in France. So, this is annually held in Cannes in France. Just remember the country's name, France, and it is International Film Festival. Okay, and this award is not given to the music industry, rather to the film festival. That means to all those people who are working in different aspects of filmmaking, and they interact with each other and preview films from around the world. Okay, this award is given not just to the France but to all around the world, whomsoever they recognized as the best workers in the film industry. The winners of the prestigious awards are chosen by a jury, which holds the solely responsibility for choosing which film will receive the award. This is one of the picture taken when the Cannes Film Festival was going on. So next we move on to this quick quiz. First question is, Shah Rukh Khan has won 8 Filmfare Awards and tied the record with which other famous actor who is also known as the Tragedy King? Sometimes you must have seen in award shows that he is being presented as Dilip Kumar Saab. He is a very old actor, Dilip Kumarji, and he is also one of the legend of our Indian cinema. Shah Rukh Khan has won 8 Filmfare Awards, and he is compared. He is as famous as Dilip Kumar. Next, we move on to which music artist holds the record for most number of Grammys. Grammy Awards, we all know that it is given to someone who's good at music, and so this music artist has won most number of Grammys, winning a total of 31 Grammy Awards. This really means a lot. 31 Grammy Awards out of 74 nominations. This is just so good to know. Sir George Solti is the correct answer. Okay, Sir George Solti. You can just check the spellings. This is the Sir George Solti. Next, we move on to question 3. Who was the youngest person ever to win an Academy Award? Academy Award winner who is youngest, a person to win the Academy Award at a young age, that is Tatum O'Neal. So this is the person who has won the Academy Award in a very young age. Next, we move on to 4th question. Who was the first female artist to win 6 Grammys in 1 year? Again, 6 Grammys in 1 year. Okay, so the correct answer is Beyonce. You must have heard her song. Sometimes when you go out and purchase new laptops, you will see Beyonce music pre-installed in the laptops or in systems. So she is a first female artist who has won 6 Grammy Awards in 1 year. Next, we move on to 5th question. Which Indian won a Grammy in 2015 and for his music album Winds of Samsara. So this is Ricky Cage, and he has won a Grammy in 2015 for his music album Winds of Samsara. So remember this, The Winds of Samsara is by Ricky Cage. Next, what is the highest prize awarded for the best film at the Berlin International Film Festival? So the highest prize that is awarded at the Berlin International Film Festival is the Golden Bear Award. This is the award that is awarded to the best film. Okay, best film. So children, this was about the entertainment awards, the Academy Award, the Golden Globe, BAFTA, the Emmy Award. Next, we read about Grammy Awards, the Cannes Film Festival, and some of these questions. Just go through both the pages. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment box. Thank you.